कैसी चल रही है लाइफ? इतने अच्छे से बारिश के मौसम में बस सोने का मन होता है ना। चलो सो जाते हैं। नहीं नहीं। Hi guys, this is Himasha and you're watching Himasha Unfiltered. Today I will tell you how to go from this to this. Let's go. Lockdown has made us so lazy and ऊपर से these rains have really made us very difficult to even get out of our beds. But here I am to tell you 8 easy productivity hacks that you should do in order to improve your productivity this lockdown. First of all, this lockdown is an opportunity for many of you who are willing to start something of their own. Then इससे अच्छा मौका आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है. So please take some advantage of this and don't let this time go to waste. Speaking of that, let's jump on to the video. Productivity hack number 1. You need to wake up early. Wait. Before you jump onto this video, please hear me out. The only way to wake up early is to sleep on time. Yes, अभी भी रुको मत, वीडियो छोड़ के मत जाओ. इसके आगे जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ वो बहुत important. Why do you need to wake up early? It's because the start of the day sets the tone for the rest of the day. If you have a goal that you need to achieve this lockdown, then this is a must do for you. Productivity hack number 2. Once you have woken up, you have to have one gratitude routine. Now what I mean by gratitude is that as soon as you wake up, your next step should be think of the things that you are thankful for. Gratitude has a power to move mountains, and how would I tell you to do gratitude is to just write down 5 things that you are grateful for every morning, and when you do it, you'll see world changing around you as faster as it can. So don't shy away from this habit because it can really teach you to value things that you already have in your life. सच बोल रही हूँ, मैं खुद ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ ये, एंड आपको भी ट्राई करना चाहिए. प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक नंबर 3. Exercise and a spiritual practice. You have to have some kind of exercise routine and one spiritual practice. A spiritual practice can be anything from praying or to even just meditating, but you have to do it in the morning at the start of your day. And the fitness practice that I'm speaking of is a must have. You definitely know why. Because your body needs to get charged up to have the day to perform to its optimum capacity. And if you don't do exercise, then you will probably feel lazy throughout the entire day. So don't take the power of gratitude exercise for granted. Productivity hack number 4. Since I've spoken already about gratitude and a fitness routine, you know what does come next. That is your eating routine. Fix your eating habits. Now I know that we all are such a huge fan of all pizzas and burgers and also sitting at home. हमें इतना ज़्यादा used to हो गया ना ये सारी चीज़ें कि स्विगी और जोमेटो तो बस यूँ हाजिर है हमारे लिए. बट इस रूटीन में और इस प्रोडक्टिविटी गाइड में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हाउ टू रियली कट ऑफ योर क्रेविंग्स एंड बी सैटिस्फाइड. दैट यू लिटरली गिव अप ऑन एवरीथिंग, नो दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, बट यू डू नीड टू minimize the certain kind of foods because what you eat eventually becomes you, a part of you, and you don't want to hinder your productivity by consuming a lot of sugar and a lot of bad carbs for your body. So you should really try out to cut one thing at a time. Many people have made this mistake when they are trying their journey to weight loss as well, that they give up everything at once. I'm not telling you to give up everything at once. आज के दिन ना सोचो कि आपको कुछ मीठा नहीं खाना है. दैट्स इट. दैट्स द मिनिमम गोल दैट यू नीड टू डू. आज के दिन आपको कुछ मीठा नहीं खाना है बस. उसके बाद अगले दिन यू शुड थिंक दैट आज के दिन मुझे ये चीज़ नहीं खानी है. सपोज यू आर बिग फैन ऑफ वेफर एंड एवरीथिंग, वेफर नहीं खानी है, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू से नो to those unhealthy cravings and fix up your eating routine. Productivity hack number 5. The power of writing. Now what do I mean by writing? I can make a separate playlist on that as well if you do want to have that playlist of journalizing and writing and how it can move miracles in your life. Then do comment down and I'll make a separate playlist on the same. But coming back to this topic, that why writing, and by writing I mean the smallest thing that you can do is to write down your task of each day, and don't go overboard by writing down 7 to 8 tasks a day because you will not be able to do that. I will suggest you in the beginning try to write down 5 tasks that you need to do, that those are really very important, and set those in like most important and least important. One hack that I would like to give here to all of you is that when you are finished with your breakfast and everything in the morning, the first thing that you need to do, if you are someone who is a 9 to 5 person and you have a very difficult task to do, then the first thing you should do is do that task. मुश्किल चीज़ें पहले करो दिन में क्योंकि आपके बॉडी में उतनी एनर्जी होगी. इसके लिए try to do that task first, and this is how the power of writing comes into play, by writing down your task so that your mind becomes focused and doesn't divert throughout the entire day and gives you the maximum productivity benefit that it can. Productivity hack number 6, that you need to have at least one hobby of your own. From playing guitar or learning an instrument to, writing poems, reading, anything can be a hobby during this lockdown. And it's very important that this lockdown you use this time to build up a new hobby that you always wanted to learn. And this is what I'm talking about, because this will really train your mind to think in different aspects, grow in different aspects, and you would be a much happier person, and you'll have the motivation to do other tasks that are pending after that. So try out hobby. Productivity hack number 7, Zen mode. Zen mode for you and your phone, your little buddy, your best friend during all of these times and years. Now, what do you mean by Zen mode? Zen mode for phone, to sabko pata hai that your phone actually switches off for a while. Doesn't switch off, but phone rest le leta hai, bhai, main break le raha hu. And you give your phone that break. The same thing is to you also giving yourself that break. And this Zen mode will not only teach you to relax, but also to pay attention to your thoughts and what is going inside your mind. And one thing, a pro tip that I would like to give every one of you is to take a break of 5 minutes after every task and really pat yourself on the back for achieving it, for doing it. You have to appreciate yourself to increase your productivity. If you're just keeping on doing the tasks, and you are not appreciating yourself, then you're making a huge mistake. So appreciate yourself for doing the little tasks that really matter to you. And this way your mind will feel more blessed and motivate you to do other tasks that are pending. Right? Productivity hack number 8, the bedtime ritual. Before going to bed, the one thing that you really need to do is to reflect back on the day that went. What did you do in the entire day and how was your day? And one pro tip that I would suggest you to do, which is again boiling down to writing some of the things. First, that you should write down what went good in your day and try to maintain a Google Keep where you note down your account of joyfulness, which is the good things that happened during the day. If you're not a fan of writing, at least note down in your phone. And this is the bedtime ritual that you should all do for having a more pleasant and a peaceful you. And pro tip that I would like to give every one of you is to meditate before your bedtime. And in meditation, all you need to do is to concentrate on your breath for a time. And here what you're doing is you're constantly training your brain to focus on one thing at a time. So, I hope that you liked this video, and if you did like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to it. Thank you so much for giving me 100 plus subscribers by uploading my first video. I'm so grateful for that. And guys, please keep supporting the way you're doing right now, and keep sharing these videos, because many stuff is going to be happening soon. And also please consider following me on Instagram. And if you're someone who is looking for leveling up your productivity, then I'll be linking down a whole productivity guide that I've curated myself and practicing it in the description below. This guide will literally help you to achieve whatever you want and increase your productivity in no time if you follow it very religiously. Till then, take care. See you next time.